Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel. Erica becomes head of house, picks Prince as deputy.
Congratulations for winning this week's head of house game.
Bbnaija housemate Erica has emerged as HOH this week. Erica made the highest score in the head of house task on Monday night. She then chose Prince as her deputy HOH. This means Erica and Prince have immunity from eviction this week. They chose to share the head of house lounge with Trikytee and Dorothy. The HOH game today was very interesting as Laycon almost snatched the lead from Erica. It would have been lovely seeing Laycon win, but Erica ended up winning HOH challenge today, and she's the new HOH. Immediately after the HOH challenge, it was time for the housemates to nominate themselves for possible eviction.
Trikytee, Laycon, Lucy, V, Nengi, Kiddwaya.
The new nomination method was used for the first time today, where housemates took turns to nominate two housemates for eviction from the Bbnaija house. After voting exercise, V, Nengi, Kiddwaya, Lucy, Laycon and Trikytee's name came up for possible eviction on Sunday. So guys, what do you think about these names being mentioned for possible eviction? Who do you think will be evicted come Sunday? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.